Just close to the next floor like I'm here to play. So where's the mic check? I hope tonight back. I don't even have enough cash to get the track back. I'm always listening to just like a fucking one beat. I can't wait to see my hooks in you and let alone breathe. The match made in heaven, the time's down here. Should've left this in the blood, what I'm putting in my ear. And ever since it's all love, all else will disappear. My life is set to ride the beat, and let us dance. It's like you know me, so you hold me down, and when I'm in, you can always pick me up. You got that dope sound like you never get enough. You keep me up late while everybody's fast asleep. While I have a dream, we create a masterpiece. Ha! You got that interesting design when you speak. I feel like I'm in perfect with rhymes. You help create every track that I've written down. You help shape every rap that I'm spitting out. I couldn't do it without you. Yeah, so this is really all about you. I'm good as long as you're part of every track. You on the back, on behind, and we wanna speak. I've been in love since the first time I heard it speak. I feel the dream, oh, you make me see. I am free. Good things you can bring. I feel the dream, oh, you make me see. I am free. Good things that you can. But a dream, boy, you make it seem I haven't seen all of the good things that you can bring. Life is but a dream, boy, you make it seem I haven't seen all of the good things that you can bring. Emily! Urban Media, this is the one, my friend. I've seen times that are so black, I can't even imagine having to go back. They say this is life, well I know that my soul passed and I was left without a broke man. So lost, but I know not to take me up back. Hold that low, don't pro if you go fast. So much who that and never looked at my own tracks. Never look back, never will I go back. Grab my coat colors, tighten them and scroll back. Not right in the path, lighting the clothes back. Need to move on, it's gone, I know that. I need to move on, it's gone, I know that. How do I move on when everything I do is wrong? Finding hard to even find a heartbeat, I'm too cold. Can't fall back, feel that I'm just too slow. Got my way at last, it's time to write a new song. Cause I woke up and I am different. My hands are older now. Looking up from the bottom, I see a second chance to raise me up. So once I wake up in the smoking mirrors, I don't have my cape on to help me cover my fear. The days your head hangs, words smoke unclear. What's beyond that smoke's not as close as it appears. See, I wrote this here for the pull on the highway. Even though it's August on a clear blue bright day. The look on Pig's face, questioning our mindset. Choking on, feeling like we trapped that sideways. When you're so hungry, you can't cook to reach the high stakes. All we see in life has the camping on vice mates. Tripping like a